Hi children, this is your ANR sir. I have come up with some new problems for class 8th. Some new problems for class 8th from their textbook page number 59 and exercise number 2.4 and exercise number 2.4. The first sum reads like this: when I triple a certain number and add 2. When I triple a certain number and add 2, I get the same answer as I do when I subtract the number from 50. Find the number. Understood? So what happened? A number I took. What did I do? I tripled it. Tripled means what? 3 times. And from the result I added 2 to the result. And whatever number I get, it would be same as 50 minus that number. Clear? So let the number be, let the number is equal to x. Triple of the number plus 2. That means 3x plus 2 is equal to how much given? 50 minus x. 50 minus x. What do? I take this x to this side and take this to this side. So 3x here what? Minus x. If it comes here, plus x is equal to 50. Here what is the sign of 2? Plus. It becomes minus. 3x plus x, 4x is equal to 50 minus 2, 48. Or x is equal to 48 by 4, yani 12. What is that number? 12. Okay. Let us cross check whether our answer is right or not. Let us cross check whether our answer is right or not. 3 times of 12 means how much? 36. Plus 2, 38. So if you subtract 12 from 50, how much you get? 38. So your answer is right. So that number is 12. Like this you should check your answer also, whether you did right or wrong. Now your next sum reads like this. But in 5 years time, Reshma will be 3 times old as she was 9 years ago. In 5 years time, Reshma will be 3 times old as she was 9 years ago. How old is she now? So let Reshma present age. Present is x years. What is her present age? X years. So what is given in 5 years time? That means after 5 years, her age will be x plus 5. Her age will be x plus 5. After 5 years. Reshma's age x plus 5 will be 3 times old as she was 9 years ago. Now she is x years ago. So x years. Now 9 years ago, 9 years ago, Rashma was x minus 9 years old. X minus 9 years old. What is relationship between these two? 3 times x plus 5 is equal to 3 times x minus 9. So x plus 5 is equal to 3x minus 27. So what we do, let us take this x to this side and 27 to that side. 3x minus x is equal to 27 plus 5. 3x minus x, 2x is equal to 32, or x is equal to 16 years. So your Rashma's present age is 16 years. Let us cross check this. After 5 years, Rashma's age will be 16 plus 5. How much? 21 years. So here what is given? 9 years ago. 9 years ago means what? 16 minus 9. How many years? 7 years old. 3 times of 7, 21. So your answer is checked. So present age of Rashma is 16 years. Clear? So now this is your next sum. A town's population increased by 1200 people. A town's population increased by 1200 people. And then this new population is decreased by 11%. And then this new population is decreased by 11%. The town had 32 people less than it did before 1200 increase. Find the original population. Select the original population. Is equal to x. What happened? Population is increased by what? 1200. So the new population, how much? X plus 1200. After this what happened? 11% decreased. The population is decreased by 11%. So population after decrease. Population after decrease. How much? It will be x plus 1200 into 100 minus 11, how much? 89 by 100. This is the population after decrease. So what is this? The town had 32 people less than it did before this increasement. That means this x minus 32. This is equal to x minus 32. So what? X plus 1200, 89 by 100 is equal to x minus 32. X minus 32. So let us take this 100 to this side. So what happens? X plus 1200 into 89 is equal to 100 into x minus 32. So let us multiply x into 89. 89x. 1200 into what? 89. How much? 1200. 89. 0, 0. 9 2 ja 18. 1. 9 plus 1. 10. 0, 0. 8 2 ja 16. 1. 8 plus 1. 9. 0, 0. 8. 6. 10. Clear? Plus 106800 is equal to what? 100 into x. 100x. 100 into 32 minus 3200. What I do? I take this 89 to this side and 3200 to this side. Here it is minus. If you bring here, it will add. So 106800 plus 3200 is equal to 100x minus 89x. 100x minus 89x is equal to how much? 100x minus 89x. Here you subtract 100 minus, that means 11x. So if you add these two, how much you get? 11 0 0 0 0. 11 0 0 0 0. So x is equal to 11 4 zeros by 11. That means you get 10,000. So what is this 10,000? The original population of that town. Understood how to do this? So your next sum. Your next sum. In a 2-digit number, the sum of 2 digits is 8. Sum of 2 digits is what? 8. If 18 is added to the number, its digits are reversed. Find the number. So your number will be like this. XY. Clear? So let tens place number be x. Then unit place number will be 8 minus x. Unit place number will be unit place number 8 minus x. Clear? So that number will be how much? This is tens place. This is unit place. So 10x plus 8 minus x. This is the number. This is the number. If you reverse the digits, then the number will be, this x comes in the units place. 8 minus x will be in tens place. So then that number will be 10 into 8 minus x plus x. This is your reversed number. So what is given from this original number? If you add 18 to this 18, this original number, if you add 18, you get the number whose digits are reversed. That means this one, 10 into 8 minus x plus x. Clear? So now let us simplify this. 10x minus x, 9x. 10x minus x, 9x. 18 plus 8, how much? Plus 26 is equal to 10 8 ja 80 minus 10x plus x. So here 10x minus 10x plus x, this will become minus 9x. This is equal to 80 minus 9x. So what we do, let us take this 9x to this side, bring this 26 to this side. 9x, here it is a minus, if it comes here, plus 9x plus 9x is equal to 80 minus 26. 10 minus 6, 4. 7 minus 2, 5. 9x plus 9x is equal to 18x. 18x is equal to 54. Or x is equal to 54 by 18. That is 3. So what is your 3? The number in the tens place is 3. Then the number in the units place will be 8 minus 3. That means 5. So your 2-digit number will be 2-digit number is equal to 35. Your 2-digit number will be 35. I think you understood today's sums what we have discussed. Again tomorrow I come with some more examples. Till then, have a nice day and thank you for watching the lesson.